Welcome to the new series, beginner to competition level drifting. I'm going from zero to hero. One of the reasons I'm doing this series is because I've wanted to get into drifting for a long time, like a lot of you guys probably have as well. There's not really a clear path to get into it, what it takes, how much it costs. Today we're here at Apple Valley Speedway and it is intimidating to say the least. We've got cars entering corners at 60 miles an hour, not even close to figuring out how they do that, but we'll get there. Let's hop straight into this car and see exactly how we do. No experience whatsoever.
I'm getting judged by a Formula Drift judge next episode, so let's hope this goes well.
So first thing we're gonna be practicing is just donuts, and let's just see if I can manage that. I've got no idea.
Here what we're doing is we're just powering into the throttle and getting the car sideways. We're not using any sort of clutch kicking, which is when you stab the clutch when you're on the throttle to get the car sideways. We're just powering through.
Oh, damn, boy. I just got that. Oh, that was all day money, dude. Definitely have a check engine light on. That's all good.
So your boy started to take some liberties, and instead of doing donuts, I tried figure eights for no reason, which is a weight transfer technique to make you slide in the form of a figure eight. We're not clutch kicking here. We're just stabbing into the power and letting it slide.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm a beast. Okay, dude. I didn't know your boy was an FD driver, brother. That felt fantastic. The grip that you feel is actually kind of incredible. Like, I was expecting it to be like super loose. It's not that loose. Like, you have grip. But I really want to learn the balance of the car and the limit. So I actually kind of want to spin out and see what that feels like, which I'm honestly terrified to do, obviously. Okay, that's what it feels like. That is step one of not having fun. Woo! Getting sketchy. That feels like I'm going against every single thing I've ever known about driving up until this point. That is just aggressive. All right, so I'm gonna try and lap this cone like an absolute beast because I'm feeling real good right now. We'll see if I can actually do that. It's a lot harder than it looks, apparently.
So what we're doing here is a clutch kick initiation. So I'm kicking the clutch to get this thing to go sideways at such a low speed. We're lapping this cone like an absolute beast right now, I can't lie. But this was crazy for me. I did not expect to be able to do that off the rip. Here we have another weight transfer, and here I made a little mistake, but it was kind of legit, not gonna lie. Oh, lapping the camera for no reason. But we got it figured out, we're good. Here we're doing another transfer right here, you see that weight, and now we're sliding back around the cone. This was kind of unplanned, but I kind of killed it.
I didn't mean to absolutely ball out on you guys like that and just drift the tripod, but it just felt right, so there you go, there's that. That's gonna end it for my first day drifting ever at Apple Valley Speedway. What an insane opportunity. I'm so excited. Stay tuned for tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. This is the reality, baby! Woohoo! Yeah, there she is, baby, just chilling. No problem, baby. What happened was I was on the freeway, had an insane misfire like always in this thing. And it started smelling like gas, baby. It was so bad, it was to the point where it was burning my nostrils. So I decided, hey, let's pull over. Let's not do that anymore. Day 2 of the drifting, this is what it looks like. On to day 3. I was making my way up to film day 2 on the skid pad. Breakdown, baby, yes. Took it to a shop, tried to diagnose it, replaced the coil pack, spark plugs, coil wires, everything. Didn't help, baby, yes. That means valve train issues. Probably got low compression. Today, instead of going to the skid pad, we're just going straight to the track. I wouldn't say that I got a good grasp on drifting yet. Hopefully I don't hurt myself or anybody else involved in the track today. Let's figure it out, baby. Let's take a lap around the track and see if your boy can handle himself. Dang. Before we go out, we're gonna switch the rear tires to something less sticky because otherwise, I'm not gonna slide. Let's get that changed out, then we'll start drifting these corners and see what happens. All right, we're gonna try and hit this first corner pretty hard. Let's see what happens, dude.
Big mistake here. Entered the corner way too shallow, so when we got sideways, we ended up hitting the corner before the corner even started. Not gonna do that again.
We need to be going way faster. That was sketchy. Almost understeered into a wall. Yes! Yes! Okay. This is harder than I thought, okay. And I almost understeered into a wall. Yes, yes. All right, let's try the second corner.
So here we have another huge mistake, same mistake I just made. Entered the corner way too shallow, huge clutch kick initiation. Made it through the corner, but barely.
Definitely went straight onto the bumper there. Thought I was gonna die. All good. We're gonna try this big corner right here. See how long we can slide for.
Huge clutch kick initiation, made it through the corner just fine. I'm a beast. I got nothing more to say, damn.
Oh, what's up, B? Felt like my car's about to break, it's all good. Your boy's absolutely cruising. Right here, we got a nice little section. Gonna try and link it. I'm gonna let I'll link it.
So it's right about here that I realized, oh, I'm a Formula Drift driver. I'm gonna act like I don't know nobody. I don't know how I linked these 3 corners, but I did it and it felt insane. Immediately addicted.
Oh, my bad, dude. My bad. Did you not know? Did you not know that I am the absolute drift king, baby? Oh! I gotta try that again. That was so sick. That felt insane. I'm addicted, baby.
Quickly realized, oh, not the Drift King. First sequence was great, lined up way too shallow in the second corner, which put me in a terrible position for the third, and that caused a crash.
Okay. That didn't feel good. Oh, hated that for me. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, that was fun. Yay! Let's never do that ever again in my life. I have oil pressure. I don't see any damage yet. Nope. Nothing, baby. So yeah, not gonna lie, got a little cocky. Thought I could do it. Messed up real bad. We're gonna lap it one more time, see how I do. And let's not crash, baby. But that's part of learning, so maybe. Let's get after it, baby. Let's go. Throttle is having a Black Friday sale all through November. So if you want to check that out, hit the link below in the description and check out all their awesome discounts. If you want up to 15% off store-wide from throttle.com, use code GriffinB. That's also going to be linked in the description below. Huge shout out to Throttle. Thank you guys so much. This is nerve-wracking, but I'm doing it for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Come back next week.
So right about here, I started thinking about, you know what, maybe I really am that guy. Hit this first corner super clean, clutch kick initiation, figured it out.
Well, I got that one.
Right here, clutch kick initiation again, hit this one really clean, didn't go as far into the corner as I did before, and it was fine.
That was pretty good. Let's see what we can do here. Come on, Griff, let's get it.
Big long sweeper here, got it all the way through and actually was able to link the second corner based off my position on that first corner. So I got this one perfectly fine, and I was really feeling like that guy at this point.
Oh, damn.
Right here, realized quickly again, I'm not that guy.
Okay. Went off again. Not good. Did I break anything? Let's see. Please don't. We're good, baby. Like always, we're good. I can't believe it's okay. All right, I have to stop doing that. I can 100% say we're spinning out because we're learning. That's okay. It's okay to spin out. It may be super freaking nerve-wracking, especially if you don't have like a trailer to go home on. Like I'm driving this thing from Apple Valley to San Diego, dude. Do you know how far that is? All that being said though, I am extremely happy with how that all turned out. I think we learned a lot. I think we pushed ourselves pretty hard for being up here all by ourselves in the middle of nowhere. This is by far the most fun, the most anxiety, the most scared, the most happy I've been in a while, which is a really odd mix of feelings, to be fair. So if you're interested in following the series, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show me some love for coming out here to the track and just doing it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.